Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and today's video I will show you a new texture is Light Yaki texture. I have shown you many times the Yaki texture that we have, and many clients want the Yaki which is very light like this, and today's video I will show you the example of the Light Yaki. We have this is Light Yaki texture, which is 18 inches. Look, look at the hair and the texture. It's beautiful and very natural luster. You can see here. This is made from the Chinese hair to the steam process to the Yaki, Light Yaki texture. And look. Double wefted bundle. We can also make this type of texture for the wigs or lace frontal or lace closure together with the bundles. So if you want light yaki texture or any other textures that we can customize for you beautifully. This hair is great quality. You can use for 5 years or longer time, no problem. If you have any requirement or want to place the order, please order on our website or contact us on www.joicehair.com. Thank you.